Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Prof. If you're interested in learning Russian vocab one day at a time, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, for those of you who are interested in studying Russian using your mobile device, you can download the Chegg Prep app from either the iPhone or the Android app stores and search for Travlin Prof-Kitchen. There you can find an updated list of all the words that we have taught on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, but for right now, let's dive into today's word. Today's Russian word of the day is
сахар, сахар,
сахар, сахар. It's not quite an sahar, is it? It's kind of a shortened vowel the second time. Sahar.
Because first one is stressed.
Right. So sometimes in words that have repeated vowels, a and o in Russian, the unstressed vowel is reduced. And in this case, there are two a vowels in sahar, but the second one is unstressed, meaning it is reduced to something along the lines of an er in English. So sahar. We'll see you again tomorrow with week 2 review. But until then, get curious and start digging.
сахар, сахар.